Alright, welcome to Pbteck, and in this video I'm going to give you the Gotv Namibia customer care representative's number. So if you are in Namibia, you are to activate a new Gotv decoder, or you're having any difficulties on your decoder, you need to contact the Gotv customer care representatives for them to help you out. The number will be highlighted on your screen. You pick it up and then you call. If it's not anything related to the Gotv product and services, they will not ask you for the IUC number of your decoder. But if you are to solve any problem related to your Gotv decoder, they're going to request for the IUC number or the smart card number of your Gotv before they can help you out to solve any problem on your Gotv decoder. So even to proceed to call them, you need to first get to know the IUC number of your Gotv decoder. They normally place some stickers at the back of your decoder that have the IUC number and the serial number of your Gotv decoder. So you check the IUC number from your decoder. If you can't find any sticker or the numbers are fade off, the next thing you need to do is to pick up your Gotv remote and you look for the green button, which is the Gotv logo. You press OK on it, and from the menu here, use the arrow top and down keys, and then you search for information central. You press OK on it, and on this page, first on the list, we have the IUC number of your Gotv decoder, and that's what they're going to request from you to actually help you out clear any error or help you out with any difficulties that you are facing on your decoder. And if you have the Namibia DSTV number, it's the same as the Gotv. DSTV and Gotv are part of MultiChoice, so if you have the DSTV number, you can call them and they're going to help you out with any problem that you are having on your Gotv decoder. And before calling them, you need to have enough airtime before you proceed to call them. They're going to deduct at a normal calling rate, so you should be aware of it to have enough airtime before proceeding to call. And they don't usually work on weekends, so normally on Sundays you will not get them to help you out with any problem that you are facing. So call them on working hours whereby they can help you out with any problem that you are having on your decoder. So that's it. If this video has been helpful and you are new here, all you have to do is subscribe, you hit the bell icon, you share on other platforms, and you keep coming back from. You lose absolutely nothing by subscribing. Thanks for watching.